Hello everyone, greetings from Medan. My name is Supriadi. I'm the CEO author of this paper, which the first author is Mrs. Rosnani Ginting. The title of this paper is Defect Analysis on PVC Pipe using Statistical Quality Control (SQC) approach to reduce defect. Case study PTSYZ. So let's begin with the introduction. In order to survive in a competitive market, improving the quality and productivity of a product or process is a must for company. The quality of the company or business and product productivity are the key to success for the development of the company production system. Because quality is the main factor for consumer in choosing the product. So, using the quality control can make company to undertake in facing global competition with other company product. One of the method that can be used for quality control is statistical quality control. Statistical quality control emerges as an alternative to improve and monitor the quality of production, where the control is carried out through an efficient and simple control chart to monitor the average and result of the observed characteristic. Methodology research first is about data collecting. There are two types of data that used in this paper. First is primary data. The primary data that used in this paper is data about type of defect and the number of defect that we found in the product. Second is secondary data. Secondary data is the data that we use to support this research. Next is about data processing. As we know that there are 7 steps to use the statistical quality control. First step is stratification. Second is check sheet. Third is histogram. Four, Pareto diagram. Fifth, scatter diagram. Six, control chart. Seven, cause and effect diagram. So let's begin with we discuss about stratification. In stratification, we found that there are 3 types of defect that we found. First is melt, second is crack, third is hollow. Next is about check sheet. From the check sheet, we can see that the number of defect of melt is 20,055 or 1.88% of total production. The number of crack that we found is 13,752 or 1.29% of total production. And the number of hollow defect that we found is 9,010 or 0.84%. So the total number of defect that we found in the production is 42,817. Third is histogram. From the histogram, we can see that melt is the highest type of defect and followed by crack and hollow. Four is about Pareto diagram. From Pareto diagram, we can see that melt 46.8% and crack 32.1% account for nearly 80% of defect that occur in production process. So we have to focus in these 2 types of defect to reduce the number of defect product. 5 is about scatter diagram. From the calculation that we have made, the correlation value of melt defect is 0.30867, which means it has a weak and indirectional relationship, and the correlation value of crack is negative 0.305186, which means it has a weak opposite relationship. This is about control chart. From the control chart, we can see that there is no number of defect that exceed the threshold where the entire ferret is still in the predetermined limit. 7 is cause and effect diagram. Based on cause and effect diagram, we can see that the melt defect is caused by man, material, machine, and method. For the crack defect, we can see also from the cause and effect diagram that it caused by man, material, machine, and method too. So we have to focus in this four aspects to reduce the total number of defects. So the conclusion of this paper is there are three types of defect that we found. First is melt, second is crack, third is hollow. Melt and crack have the greatest impact for defect. So we need to focus in these two types of defect. So we can reduce the number of defect because it's support the 80% of number defect in the production. The cause of defect is from humans, machines, material, and methods. So we need improvement in these four aspects to reduce the number of defect. The solution that we made for the company to reduce the number of defect is first about recruiting new employer because the current employer uh, is less, so they are too tired for working in production process. Second is about regular maintenance. We suggest the company to making regular maintenance for machine as example once a week, so the machine can give high impact in production the product. Third is standardized raw material. We suggest the company to use the high quality raw material so the product that production so the product that have production is can be more lesser to be defect. That's all of my presentation. I apologize is there any mistake in my presentation. Thank you for the opportunity that have given for us to present the paper. See you.